Hello and welcome back to More Math with Miss Beiruthi. In this video, we are going to be solving equations with variables on both sides. And in the previous video, remember I mentioned 3 rules to remember, and we still do have to remember these rules. So rule number 1 is your goal is to have the letter alone. Rule number 2, always do the opposite. Remember, the opposite of plus is minus. The opposite of minus is plus. The opposite of multiply is divide. And the opposite of divide is multiply. Rule number 3, you need to do plus and minus first. And you need to do multiply and divide second. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember, I do want you to copy everything that I am doing down. Oops. Okay, and I'm going to put a note for myself here. First will be plus and minus. Second will be multiply and divide. Okay, so here's our question. Remember, for your equal sign, you do need to draw a line. All right, so this one's a little weird because I have 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a positive 7m, negative 7, negative 6m, and negative 16. I'm going to need to do my like terms. So what we're going to do with the like terms is you're going to find the ones with the same letter. Here it's m, and here it's m. So these are together. Okay, so m with m. Here there's no letter, here there's no letter, so these are together. No hay letra aquí, y aquí también. They're the same, son iguales. So first we're going to put in the calculator 7 minus 6, 7 menos 6. So that's going to be 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. So 1, copy the letter M. Now negative 7 minus 16. So in the calculator, negative 7 minus 16, negativo 7 menos 16, negative 23. No letter, so no letter. Equals, these are different, son diferentes. Here no letter, here it's M. Aquí no hay letra, aquí hay M, so it's different, so copy. Okay, now this is different because I have 2 M's. Tengo dos M's. So what I want is I want all of my M's on the left and I want all of my numbers with no letter on the right. Quiero todos los números con la letra en la izquierda y quiero todos los números sin letra a la derecha. Okay, so first we start with the letters. Primero comenzamos con las letras. So I have 2. Okay, the number with the letter that is on the right is always the one that we are going to move. Okay. Siempre mueve el número con la letra que está en la derecha. So always move the one on the right. So this one first. This is positive. The opposite is negative. Es positivo 4. Contrario es negativo. So minus 4m. So again, always move the letter that is on the right. Otra vez, siempre mueve la letra que está en la derecha, which is this one. So copy, we're going to put it here. So M with M, M con M. So copy minus 4M. M with M, M con M. So in the calculator, 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4, negative 3, negative 3, M. Here there's nothing, no hay nada, copy. Equals. Here there's nothing, aquí no hay nada, copy. 4 minus 4, 4 menos 4, 0, cancel. All right, now my goal, mi meta, is to have the letter alone. Es para tener la letra sola, which is M. Where is M? ¿Dónde está M? It's on the left. M está en la izquierda. Okay? What numbers are on the left? ¿Cuál números están en la izquierda? -3 and -23. Here, there's nothing in the middle. It's multiply. No hay nada en el medio. Es multiplicación. And this is minus. Which one is first? ¿Cuál es primero? Multiply or minus? Minus is first, es primero. The opposite of minus is plus. So plus 23. Copy to the other side. Plus 23. Here there's nothing. Copy down. Aquí no hay nada. Copiar. -3m. -23 plus 23 is 0. Cancel. Equals 1 plus 23 is 24. 1 más 23 es 24. Now my goal is to have M alone. Mi meta es para tener la M sola. What number is with M? -3. ¿Cuál número está con M en la izquierda? -3. What number is on the left with M? That's -3. What's in the middle? Multiply. The opposite of multiply is divide. What number is on the left with M? ¿Cuál número está en la izquierda con M? -3. Divide -3. Copy to the other side. Divide -3. -3 divided by -3 cancels. It's 1. -3 entre -3 es 1. Cancela. Copy M equals -24 divided by -3. Lo siento. 24 entre -3. So 24 divided by -3. -8. There's your answer. Okay, make sure that you are copying. Okay, pause if you need to. These are only going to get harder. Next one. -5 plus 5 times n minus 7 equals -40 plus 5n. Okay, first you're going to go ahead and draw a line on the equal sign. All right, first is going to be your parentheses. Parentheses is always first. So let's look at the parentheses. How many parts are inside? ¿Cuántos partes? 2. N and -7. That negative is with 7. Este negativo es con el 7. Okay? What number is directly in front of the parentheses? ¿Cuál número es directamente enfrente de los paréntesis? It's 5. So you're going to take this 5 and we have to give it to both parts. Okay? Necesitamos dar este 5 para ambos partes dentro de los paréntesis. Okay? So we're going to take this 5 and give it to n. And then we're going to take this 5 and give it to -7. Okay? So here, this is for later. Este -5 es para más tarde. So copy -5. Now we're going to do 5 times n. 5 por n. So 5 times n. So 5 with part 1. 5 con parte 1. And now plus. And again, otra vez, 5 with part 2, con parte 2, which is -7. Equals. These are not like terms, no son similares, because they don't have the same letter, porque no tienen la misma letra. Okay? So copy. Entonces copy. Okay. Now parentheses is always first. Paréntesis siempre es primero. So we're going to do these two parts here. Copy -5. 5 times n, 5 por n, it's 5n, it's 5n. In the calculator, 5 times -7. So 5, parenthesis, -7, parenthesis, -35. equals, again, copy. Otra vez, copy. Now, I have three things. Ahora tengo tres cosas. So I need to find the like terms. Necesito encontrar los similares. So here, no letter, and no letter. No hay letra, and no hay letra. So these are the same. Entonces, son similares aquí. Because there's no letter, porque no hay letra. So, boom, and boom. So, -5 minus 35, negativo 5 menos 35, 5 minus 35, -30. So, -30, boom, cancel, cancel. This one does not have a partner, so copy. Esta no tiene pareja, entonces copy equals copy. Okay. Now, I have two letters. Tengo dos letras. The one that I always move is the one on the right. Tengo dos letras, pero la letra que siempre mueves es la letra que están en la derecha, which is this one right here. This is +5. The opposite is negative. Esta es positivo. El contrario es negativo. So -5n. And copy here. So where do I put it? ¿Dónde lo pongo? I put it here. Aquí. With the letter. Con la letra. So -5n. So n with n. N con n. Here there's nothing. Copy. Aquí no hay nada. Copy. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 menos 5 es 0. Equals. Here there's nothing. Copy. Aquí no hay nada. Copy. 5 minus 5, 0. Cancel. Now, I don't have any more letters. Ahora no tengo letras. Okay? So, if you don't have any more letters, you cannot continue. Si no tiene más letras, no puede seguir, no puede continuar. Okay, so we're just going to look at these numbers and we are going to decide if this is true or false. Solo podemos ver números y pensar si están, I'm sorry, están falso o verdad. Okay, so we're going to look. -30 equals -40. Negativo 30 es igual que negativo 40. Is that true or false? ¿Es verdad o falso? That is false. Es falso. They are not equal. No son iguales. No son similares. They are different numbers. Son números diferentes. So this is false. Falso. If it's false, then your answer is no solution. No solución. Si es falso, no hay solución. If it's false, there is no answer, so your answer is no solution. Okay? Make sure you copy if you need to, pause if you had to, rewind if you need to. Okay, let's try the next one. Okay, here's our next question. On the equal sign, I want you to draw a line. Parenthesis first. Let's start with the left side, and then we will do the right side. So let's start with the left side. In the parenthesis, how many parts? 2 parts. ¿Cuántos partes dentro de los paréntesis? Hay 2 partes. So here we go. And the number in front, I will give to each part. Y el número enfrente voy a dar para todas partes dentro. Okay, so 4 with 3R, 4 con 3R, and then again, y otra vez, 4 with +4, 4 con positivo 4. Okay, so we're going to do 4 with part 1, con parte 1, with 3R, plus, again, otra vez, 4 with part 2. 4. 4 con parte 2, 4. Now we're going to do our parentheses again. 4 times 3, 4 por 3. So 4 parenthesis 3, no R in the calculator, no R en la calculadora. 12. Copy R. Only copy R. Solo copiar el R. Plus 4 times 4, 4 por 4. 4 parenthesis 4 parenthesis. 16. Now we're going to do here. How many parts? ¿Cuántos partes? 2. 1, 2. And I'm going to give -8 to both parts. Voy a dar -8 para ambos partes. So -8 times 2r. And again, -8 times 5. So -8 parenthesis 2r plus, again, -8 times 5. We're going to do part 1 and then part 2. -8 times 2. -8 por 2. So -8 parenthesis 2 parenthesis no r, no r, -16. Copy r. Now -8 times 5. -8 por 5. -40 minus 40. There we go. Okay, I have 2 R's, tengo 2 R's. I need to move one. Necesito mover uno. Always move the one on the right. Siempre mueve la que está en la derecha. Okay, so this is negative. The opposite is positive. So plus 16R, copy, with R, R con R with R, plus 16R. 12 plus 16, 12 más 16. 12 plus 16, 28. 28 R, copy, plus 16 equals, -16 plus 16 is 0, cancel, copy, minus 40. Now, I want R alone, quiero R solo, so I'm going to circle it. Okay, R is on the left, R está en la izquierda. 2 numbers on the left, hay 2 números en la izquierda. This is multiply, es multiplicación, because there's nothing in the middle, porque no hay nada en el medio. And this is plus. First you do plus. The opposite of plus is minus. Minus 16. Primero es más, y el contrario de más es menos. Copy. There's nothing here, copy. No hay nada aquí, copy. 16 minus 16, 0, cancel, equals. -40 minus 16, -40 minus 16, -56. I want R alone, quiero R solo. R is on the left, R está en la izquierda. 28 is on the left, 28 está en la izquierda. Nothing in the middle, so it's multiply. No hay nada en el medio, entonces es multiplicación. The opposite of multiply is divide. El contrario de multiplicación es división. So divided by, again, 28. Again, otra vez, divide 28. Copy to the other side. 28 divided by 28, 28 entre 28, it's 1. Es uno. Cancela, cancel. Copy R equals -56 divided by 28. -56 divided by 28. -2. There's your answer. Okay, make sure that you copy. If you need to pause, go ahead and do so. One more. do an easy one. Go ahead and make that a minus. Okay? The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to draw a line on the equal sign. Okay. So here, I don't have anything special. I just have 2 letters, okay? 2 letters. And you are going to move one. Necesitas mover una letra. The one that you always move is the one on the right. Siempre mueve la letra que está en la derecha. Okay, so this is minus. The opposite of minus is plus. Este es menos. El contrario de menos es más. So plus A, and then here, plus A. Okay, now I need a number here. Necesito un número aquí. If there's no number in front, it's 1. Si no hay número enfrente, es 1. So 1, 1, and here too. Y aquí también. It's a 1. 2 plus 1, 2 más 1, 3A. Here there's nothing, no hay nada, copy. Plus 14 equals. Negative 1 plus 1, negativo 1 más 1, 0, cancel. Copy, negative 16. I want A alone, quiero A sola. A is on the left, A está en la izquierda, and 2 numbers on the left. Hay 2 números en la izquierda, 3 and 14. Here there's nothing in the middle, no hay nada en el medio, it's multiply, and this is plus. Multiply or plus first? Plus is first. The opposite of plus is minus. Minus 14, minus 14. Go back to the left. Here there's nothing, copy, 3A. 14 minus 14 is 0, cancel, equals. Negative 16 minus 14, negative 16 minus 14 is negative 30. I want A alone, circle A. Okay, what number with A? 3. Okay, what's in the middle? Multiply. The opposite of multiply, divide. So divided by 3, and then here divided by 3. Cancel. A equals negative 30 divided by 3. Put in the calculator. Negative 10. There's your answer. Okay, we're going to do another one. Make sure you pause if you need to. All right. Okay, first we're going to draw a line on the equal sign. Parenthesis first. Okay, how many parts in the parenthesis? 2. So I need to give this 2 to everything inside. So 2 times P, 2 times 3. Okay, so 2, parenthesis, part 1, P, plus, again, 2 times 3. We're going to do 2 times P and 2 times 3. 2 times P is 2P, plus 2 times 3, 6. Here, these are not the same, no son similares, so we're just going to copy them. So 2P plus 6, 2P plus 6. Now I have 2 letters. Always move the one on the right. Siempre mueve la letra que está en la derecha. This is positive 2, the opposite is negative. So minus 2P, again, minus 2P. 2 minus 2, 0. Cancel, copy, 6 equals. 2 minus 2 cancels, and then copy down 6. Okay, I don't have letters anymore. No tengo más letras. So I need to check if it's true or false. Necesito checar si es verdad o falso. 6 equals 6. 6 es igual que 6. Is that true, verdad, true, or false? Falso, false. That is true, es verdad. If it's true, your answer is all real numbers or identity. I will accept both answers. It's two answers. All real numbers, todos los números. All the numbers are the answers. Todos los números son verdades. Okay? So this is your answer if it's true. Remember, false is no solution. True is all real numbers or identity. Okay, make sure you copy everything down. If you have any questions, please ask. And I hope you have a nice day. Thank you for watching.